Hey there, if you're new to investing and looking to make your first move in the stock market, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can invest safely and wisely, even if you're just starting out. First up, always start with a plan. Think about your financial goals. Are you saving for a house or planning for retirement? Knowing your objectives will shape your investing strategy. Next, diversification is your best friend. By spreading your investments across different sectors, you minimize risks. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one stock takes a hit, others might still hold strong. Always do your own research. Understand the companies you're investing in. Look at their performance, check their management, and keep an eye on market trends. Knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Now let's talk about setting a budget. Determine how much you can afford to invest without straining your finances. Stick to this limit and avoid the temptation of going all in. Finally, patience is key. The stock market can be volatile, but remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay calm during market fluctuations and keep an eye on your long-term goals. So there you have it. With a solid plan, diversified portfolio, informed choices, and a bit of patience, you're setting yourself up for investing success. Subscribe for more tips, and happy investing.